Hello everybody. So let's go over the positions again, because to be honest, not much has changed so far. So the fear and greed index for the stock market, we're still fearful, and then for the crypto market we are back to neutral. So I think you already know what that means, so that we might go further down. So let's have a look at the charts. So the S&P 500, so we did bounce off of this naked point of control, and unfortunately we did not reach the golden zone over here. So today we got a retest of this naked point of control, which is also the region of this green dotted support line, and we are bouncing up. So yeah, it looks like we formed a double bottom here, and that now we're ready to go up again. Then let's have a look at gold. Also not much to see here. Yeah, we're just back at the open of yesterday. Then silver, also not much happening here. Then Australian dollar, Singaporean dollar. So now we reached the golden zone. So now the question will be, do we find support, or do we continue lower? We did create a higher high here compared to the 11th of August, but it was only marginally higher and a wick. So basically that was a bearish sign, and we're coming down now, so let's hope we find support in this region somewhere and we can continue the uptrend. So DXY, also not much has changed here. Euro Hungarian forint, so also here we're coming down a bit. So let's see where we find support. Alibaba, a bit worrying, because let's take away the volume. Because okay, the indicator is now showing a double bottom. Yeah, let's see whether we find support here, or maybe we wick a bit below point B to shake out the stop losses which are here. And if we put back the volume, yeah, so we're coming back down on low volume. So yeah, it might be a retest of the previous bottom. So this one we need to watch closely in the coming days. PayPal, the short, so not much has changed here. XLF, we did gain a bit today, but we didn't make up for the loss of yesterday. GDX, yeah, we did find support here around the 31.5 region, and it looks like we're ready to go further up. So with our first take profit at 33.86, and then the second one at 37.22. Then the US Treasury, the 30-year, bounced off again of this daily support. We lost the weekly. So this one we also need to watch closely what will happen in the coming days, because maybe it might invalidate this scrap pattern. Then copper, nice gain today. So it looks like we also found some support over here, and we might go further up. And then the last one is crude oil, because this is an interesting one. Because if we take the turtle strategy indicator, then I need to change a setting, because it needs to recalculate on every tick, because then it will show you that at the close of today we get the buy signal, because we did break, or we will close above this purple line. So we already got a buy signal here. So here we will have a new buy signal. Just what is worrying is if we take the OBV indicator. And then I also like to have a look at the MACD. So what we do see here, if we remove the turtle strategy again, we had a high, the last high was here on the 30th of July on high volume. Now we made a marginally higher high on low volume. So you get a bearish divergence, which is not good. And then also on the MACD, on the 30th of July, we had a little, you know, you can see we had little green bars, and the bars we have now are higher. Oh, basically this makes sense. From this point of view, it is fine because we made a higher high now. But if we look at the high of the 6th of July, here we had this little green bar, which is a small one, and now we have a big MACD bar. So here you also have your bearish divergence. So yeah, I will take the trade, but yeah, there's still the risk that you're coming down from this one. So yeah, it's a bit a risky trade, but okay, that is trading. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So then the crypto market, let's see, Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we're bouncing up a bit. And then if you look at the Bitcoin chart, for the moment plus 2.38. What I think will happen is maybe it looks better on the 4-hour. So what I think we're heading to is, if you take the Fibonacci retracement from this high to the low from this dump, then let's mark this one in red. Then we have the golden zone coming up at 49k. So I assume we go there and then we go down. And this lines up very well if we now go to the Algo Trading. Here you can see that the trigger line is at 48,924. And as I said in the past, that sometimes this line acts as a support and a resistance. So this one might be acting as resistance again. So this is the 49k region, and then the golden zone also in the 49k region. So for me, this will be a moment to add to my short. Of course, if we close above and we get the buy signal, then we get the buy signal, and I close all my shorts, of course. So this is one to watch, yeah, probably tomorrow, especially since we are back at neutral. We really need to get the people really bearish to go higher. So I still think that this is still in play, the white line. So we will go a bit higher to 49k, and then we go back to 38k region. And yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. So let's go to the Algo Trading. Tezos, we got a buy signal and we did go nicely up. And then Dogecoin, we got a sell signal and we're still below it. So we're still in profit. And then the others, let's have a look. Yeah, so Bitcoin, I discussed that one. Ethereum, yeah, will most probably do the same as Bitcoin. The trigger line is quite far away. So for the moment, nothing to do here. Bitcoin Cash, also sell signal, and we're still below it, so still in profit. And then XRP, yeah, we are ranging, so that's always the disadvantage of this strategy. And that is that you get a buy signal the one day, the other day the sell signal, and then again a buy signal. So yeah. But the good thing is that the losses are not so high in for XRP. So if we have a look, so for Bitcoin, minus 47. So as you can see in the chart here below, there's an extra 1,600 short position. So at this 48,924, at least that's for me on Bybit. Ethereum 167 in loss for the moment. XRP 98 in loss. Doge $8.50 in profit. Bitcoin Cash 16.75 in profit, and Tezos almost 112. All right, good. That was it for me. Yeah, let's see in the coming days whether we finally get some nice movements in the market, which are worth talking about. So let's wait and see. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.